Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the brinjal. Number 1. Brinjal is a vegetable. Number 2. Brinjals are low in calories. Number 3. They have a mild, slightly bitter taste. Number 4. They are a good source of dietary fiber. Number 5. Brinjals are rich in antioxidants. Number 6. Brinjals are often used in a variety of dishes worldwide. Number 7. Brinjal can be eaten raw or cooked. Number 8. Brinjals can be grilled, roasted or fried. Number 9. They can be grown in gardens or farms. Number 10. They come in various colors including purple, green and white. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.